Okay, so Apollo, can you sit, buddy? You're such a good boy. Apollo was very angry that he didn't get into the video. So I'm filming him specifically to put him in the video. He's waiting for his carrot. Can you do a high five? High five? Good boy. Touch. Good boy. We do touch instead of come. Hello everyone, this is Bonnie with Curly Girl, well, I am Curly Girl Crafter, coming at you from Colorado. I was generously gifted this BenQ Genie e-reading lamp for a review of the product. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of it, and then I'm gonna use it for a couple days, or about a week, and then let you guys know what I think. So, comes well packaged, obviously. Whoops. Let's see here. It looks like I may have gotten the gold version. Okay. Wow, the base is nice and heavy, so that's going to be a good thing. Here it is. The base. Very, very nice and heavy and sturdy. So we like that. Less chance of tipping over. Okay. Let's see. Looks like there's a couple tools in here to put it together with. And let's see. Yeah, it's the pretty gold one. Wow. It's packaged very well. Let's see here, gotta get this out. This must be the power cord. I've never done an unboxing video before, so sorry guys. Yeah, that's the plug. Very nice. Look at this gorgeous gold cord. Wow. So that goes on here, I'm sure. And this is the top light part, or the top of it, where the light is. Oh, so this is the top part of it. Okay, wow. Okay, so I had to turn the camera up so you guys could see. It looks like it's gonna be really easy to put together. There's basically two little screws. It came just with a quick start guide telling you how to use it and how to put it together. So it just came with like these two little screws with a little, I don't know what you call this thing, you know, that you get in all kinds of things when you put it together. And so it looks like I'm just going to put this in here, like so, and then put the screws in. So that's super easy to put together. So I will review this for like, for a week about, and then I'll let you guys know what I think on my next FlossTube video. Anyway, I hope everyone is well, and I'll see you guys in about a week. Thanks, bye.